Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check this out. I have the Victor Allen's made with 100% Arabica coffee. And these ones are the Donut Shop blend, which is good. I sometimes get different brands and things like that, but figured I might as well try these ones here. This is the 80 cups in a box, which is kind of cool. I actually got 2 boxes of this because this is good. I've had it before. So these ones are good. They're because it has the hints of the almond and dried fruit and things like that. So these ones are good. And so if you have one of those little cup machines, what's it called? A Keurig type machine. This is what you need, is to get some of these. And these are a good blend, kind of a medium, it does say medium roast too. So it is the medium roast style. They might even sell other ones, but I'm just a medium roast person. So that's it. These are the Victor Allen's. So pick up some of these, thumbs up for me on these. Links in the description, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.